Good morning, Honourable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah I. You are both a super duper hero from my shed. I am probably from Northeast India, Manipur. Can I express some despite what's the word of you mainly? Because you are the leader of our country. I feel so angry. Your drama. I'm not mentioning to our minister and MLAs actually. They are needless to say. I'm saying because of their action relating in this issue. Honourable Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, where is your power? Are you here the cookie narcotics groups or are you business partner with them? We have so many questions arise. Please reply my answer. If you watch my video, how many days will the world do? The available states Manipur is burning. Are you blind? How much Manipur lift the standard of India in the field of sports, art and culture? Why you forget everything? Enough is enough. Congress BJP argument. Who is bad, who is good, everything know well. Your dirty political game. Please don't do again. Please bring the peace in our state as soon as possible. If not, it's okay. Let give us our earlier kingdom country again. Don't forget our merger agreement. You know the earlier history of the Manipur. British colonization is also scary for our forefather bravery. We are the sons of them. Don't try to wake up the sleeping lion. We are my days okay. I don't want to talk longer about this crisis. So please do something for the sake of our motherland. We will die one day, so let's live together with peace. I understand the conflict between the Maitais and Kukizo group has resulted in the loss of many lives, displacements of people. Yeah, I know. It's true that the central government led by the Modi ji and Amit Shah has a significant role to play in restoring peace and order in this state. The government has also tackled some steps such as deploying additional security forces and holding talks with various stakeholders. However, it's also important to acknowledge that the situation in Manipur is complex, has a deep-rooted historic and social factor. A lasting solution will require a sustained effort from all parties involved, including the state and the central government, civil society organization, and communities leaders. I wonder really, 6 innocent people brutally killed by the cookie militant. You know, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ कहाँ गया? इलेक्शन के समय क्या क्या बात कर रहा है मणिपुर भाषा बोलकर? But when 2 cookie women something happened, not a rape in that case, our lovely minister, MLAs, even PM also condemned seriously. But why such a kind of one-sided acting? We don't like anymore. Please say something, Modi ji. You are our prime minister. Why you are always silent? What happened to you? We want peace. Manipur is not only from Mighty. All the communities are settled from century. As a government, even we ask a lot of questions with the help of social media, but still no answer from your mouth. Suspect really. Here is a hidden agenda. We can't face really. We are a citizen of India. Why? You are ignoring us. From May 3rd, 2023, but still conflict is going on. How many people are in a relic camp without fulfilling their foods? How many people dead? I think you will watch at social media everything. As a human, please feel sympathy. We can't sleep well. We can't eat food nicely. Firing girls, bombing. Even their attacks to the farmer also. This is not a sign play. This is a terrorist activities. But why? Honourable PM, even silent right now. Please be serious. I'm India. I study democracy, fundamental right and duties at a student life. So please don't be treating me. I have the right to speak. This is my right. You know, but in Manipur, the most beautiful democracy is not seen from recent year. I'm not lying. This is true. Okay. Anyway, please do something. We want peace. I don't want to tell Mahabharata story to you. Thank you for watching my video.